So I crocheted a few pastel penises for Christmas tree ornaments this year. And this is a video of me actually crocheting them, how I created the shape. I plan on putting this document up on my website at some point, but it started with this video to figure out how I should write the pattern even. If anybody even wants to try to make them as well. And yeah, kind of inspired by another crocheter, which I will link in the description, and inspired by Big Mouth, which I'm not sure if you've ever watched, but they have hormone monsters and fuzzy penises run around with the male hormone monster, and it's pretty funny. And yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, and please comment below if you have any questions or feedback or anything. All right, bye.